Dapper J back again with Dapper Baby Jasmine.
Gum!
Get that gum out your face. All right, this is day 2 of our fishing adventure. I don't know how to fish. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So
I know how to fish.
we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I just checked on the website, and you gotta pay $25 just to go fishing. It's freaking crazy. $25. What if I don't even catch a fish? I can go to the store and buy $25 worth of fish. I don't get it. I don't get the lure of fishing, but we'll see. All right, see you guys later. All right, y'all, we're here. This is
Yeah, we're also.
Hesperia Lake. They actually stock fish here, so hopefully you'll catch something. I'll keep you updated. Did you catch something?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Oh my god.
What'd you get?
I got nothing.
Oh man, be careful with that hook.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, no luck on the first spot, so here's spot number 2. Let me show it to you. Spot number 2. There's Trevor's Toys and Games. Say what's up, Travis.
Hi.
There's Baby
Hi.
Dapper Jasmine. Spot number 2. Pretty relaxing. The mountains.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, the lake, huh? No TikTok. She always doing TikTok stuff. Yeah, look at this view of the mountains, the river, Baby Dapper Jasmine. It's pretty cool. It's relaxing. Even if you don't catch nothing, it's worth it. It's nice out here. Where's he at? All right, there he is. That bird right there just caught a bigger fish than any of us has caught. We haven't caught any. You see it? You see it flying? He's gone. He's gonna have a good lunch. That was crazy. I wish I would have got on camera. Trevor's Toys and Games. So how much have you caught, Trevor?
None.
0. How many fish have you caught? 3? 3? Yeah? 4? You caught 4 fish? Good job. You little liar, you haven't caught any.
Got 0.
You got 0. I got 0. We're gonna keep trying because this costs $25. All right.
Trevor, this is ours.
All right, you guys see that fish there? This is our first chance to get one. Let's see if he takes it.
Daddy, I'm gonna take the bait right now. Daddy, I'm just gonna take the bait right now.
No.
I'm gonna do it.
All right, y'all. This guy just got hooked with a freaking what's it called? Fishing hook. Let me see. Where is it? Point to it. Yeah, that wasn't very smart. Also, he got tangled about 18 times today. We spent more time trying to untangle his hooks than actual fishing. But yeah, that fish we're seeing that was close. No, we didn't catch it. But we're gonna keep trying. All right. All right, y'all. Night fishing part 3. Earlier, that big ass fish we saw, we didn't catch it. Guess what? Right now, I hooked a big one, a huge one, and he broke my freaking line. He broke my line. That was my last bobber too.
Rip off.
A rip off. The fish ripped us off. We're gonna eat him, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Here's the crew, if you could see them. All right. I'll keep y'all updated. So yeah, Baby Dapper Jasmine. Hi.
Hi, I'm eating nuts.
This is fishing. A lot of sitting and waiting. Trevor's Toys and Games.
My line got tangled.
Oh my goodness, are you serious? That's
I have no
19 times today.
I have no clue.
That is 19 times today.
I have no clue.
I'm not helping. You got that yourself. You got to
no
cut it or untangle it. This guy, 19 times you got his stuff tangled.
Hi!
Anyways,
Take my drink.
we're at the aqueduct. This is the nightcap of our night. If you don't catch nothing, oh well, that was worth it. Relaxing.
Hi.
See y'all later. All right, y'all. Well, we finally caught something. Guess what it is? His hand.
Again.
Where you bleeding at?
Right here, around there.
Where?
I wiped it off, but it was bleeding before.
But yeah, second time today. How many tangles did you get today?
Around like 19.
Nope, 20.
No, that was.
He got his line tangled 20 freaking times today.
No, that wasn't a tangle.
Yeah, it was.
Mine just went over yours.
No, you crossed my line. That's a tangle. Let me turn this car on. That was a tangle.
That was not.
Yes, it was.
No.
And you caught your hand on the hook twice.
And you almost caught me
Classic.
once.
That's just... Shut up, you. That's classic Trevor's Toys. There. Goofy as hell. Alright. So, yeah. We didn't catch nothing. Again. One of these days, I kind of feel bad. I keep putting out these videos of fishing, but we're not catching nothing. Trust me, I'm frustrated. I'll see y'all later.